Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a clock widget into your windows. So if you are not satisfied with a clock, or this is not a clock but the time on your taskbar on the bottom right corner, because this is just small, and you want to have a clock widget that is enough for you to clearly see the time for today, then you can simply do that. Do not be afraid, or let's go quick into the process directly. Okay, so in the Windows search bar right here, we need to open the Microsoft Store. So type here store, best match Microsoft Store. Just go ahead and click on that. Now here in the Microsoft Store search bar, type here clock widget. Click on it. Now, the widget launcher will appear as the first option, so you have to click on that. This has also high ratings, 4,000 ratings, and garnered a lot of stars. So in order to download and install this into our Windows, then we have to take and click on this button. Now in my case, this is already installed, so in your case, you have to click on the get button in order to install the application into your Windows. Now once the installation has been, or the installation process has been done, then you need to close the Microsoft Store window, then simply search for widget launcher in the Windows search bar. Click on it. So here in this application, I will show you three different types of clocks that you can add as a clock widget into your Windows. So it has a calculator widget, calendar, CPU meter, currency converter, digital clock, notes, RSS feed, slideshow, square clock, unit converter, weather widget, and the world clock. So let's start with the first type of clock, which is the digital clock. Click on that. Now from here, you can simply choose the skin color. If you want colorful dark or you want colorful light, based on what you prefer, now you have to choose here. So I'm going to click on colorful light because I want colorful light. Then from the background, click on this to change the color into something that you really like. Click on done. For the accent, click on done. For the border, and for the font color, you can also change the transparency from here. Just move the slider to the left and to the right and click on launch widget. Now let me move this. Click on launch widget. Now we have just added a clock widget into our Windows, which is in a style digital clock. So this is the first type of clock. The second type of clock is the square clock. So click on it. If you want colorful light, colorful dark, it's up to you. So I'm going to go with colorful light. The same color options. I'm just going to change the font color. Click on done. The transparency, I'll move this. Click on launch widget. Then here we have just added a clock widget into our Windows, which is in the square clock form. Now for the last type of clock is the world clock. Click on it. Then I'm going to change this to, I'll just leave it as dark and then choose the background from here. The transparency, it should be the same. Click on launch widget. Now let's close the widget launcher. So these are the three types of clock that we can use as a clock widget into our Windows. This is really visible if you want to know what is the time for today. This is enough for you. This is big enough for you. So you can just simply choose if you want the digital clock, the square clock, and the world clock. So that's it. through the widget launcher, you can have a clock widget into your windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.